thing. Alright, give me a sec. Gotta hook something up real quick. Unboxing vid here. Here we have the USB 3.0 travel hub by Insignia. Backwards. If I do this, will that help? Can you read it now? Yeah, that's better. There we go. That's how you flip it around. We have to do this because I only have 4 USB ports in my computer because my motherboard couldn't hook up to the USB 3.0 ones I have. I didn't have the extra hookups for some, you know, it's just, it is what it is. Alright, so we got ourselves, I guess let's take this manual out first here. Okay, nothing. Box is empty. Alright, we got a piece of paper here. This is instructions in Spanish. I don't speak Spanish. Alright. Nice little instruction packet. So, to install this USB hub here, you plug it into a USB port, a free USB port. Okay, that's intense. Comes with an extra plastic bag. This was in a plastic bag. In a plastic bag. That seems unnecessary. I don't really know. I feel like they could have put the manual in this plastic bag. Maybe that would have made it at least. That would have felt a little less wasteful. I'm taking it off here. And there it is. Four extra. You just plug this. Apparently this witchcraft. You just plug this right in USB port, and it just turns on. This got my. Go back. Hang on. And there we go. Now it's plugged in. Alright, that's my, that was my unboxing video. I'll probably upload that on YouTube. That was pretty good. Alright, I'll be right back.